Vethor token, currently trading at 0.006 cents, and is at $285 million market cap, ranked number 185 on the list. But before trading or hodling this cryptocurrency, you gotta know what it is. So Vethor token is a VIP 180 standard token, which represents the cost of using the Vechain Thor blockchain. Its primary purpose is to facilitate process the transactions of the blockchain and essentially represent as a smart contract layer of the network. So you guys want to trade and hodl this? What markets are they on? They are on Binance US, Crypto.com exchange, Gate.io, MEXC, VTHO, Bitrust, Coinex, Pionex, and also some Measure One. So there are a lot of different exchanges, guys. Let's see their price ratings. They're currently ranked. It's a triple C on Stable Outlook. I like companies that have ratings. I'm sorry, cryptocurrencies that have ratings. It makes it so much easier to get into it, understanding that because I can read the how they establish the ratings. I like cryptocurrencies with it more than without it, guys. So let's get into their the news. So I didn't find any really big relevant news on VeChain, but what I did find on their website, it's gonna be really cool, is their boot camp. So if you guys want to learn more about their website, more about their platform, check out their boot camp, check out some of their resources. Here's their boot camp, and you goes through some upcoming information on it. It's actually pretty interesting how they set up their website for this stuff. So if you guys want to learn more about it, just check it out, guys. Here's their VeChain Foundation on Twitter. They have 521,000 followers. A lot of their news comes out here, so guys, please check it out. Learn more about it. Educate yourself. Once again, follow me on Twitter. I talk about a lot of political stuff, trading, cryptocurrencies, all the stuff that I don't say on here, this platform, for YouTube. I'll say it up on there. Well, now let's get to that price prediction, guys. Now we're going to start out really, really large. We're on the daily, and this is pretty interesting because this is going to be a lot lower than most people expect. Because I see this cryptocurrency bouncing off that 0.0045 level. So my price prediction off the bat, 0.0045. Now let's check it out a little bit higher up here and what we can do to do that, for taking advantage of this, okay? So you guys can see up here, very, very low. We're looking at this price zone right here. Now, I like to trade with the trend, and the trend is down. I don't like to trade against the trend. And this is a good representation of a downtrend right here, especially with the super trend showing down, that we have a lot to go. I don't want to hodl because it's a lot of positions I might be losing. I don't want to short either because I do not like shorting cryptos. That seems like a bad idea. But when it comes to this crypto, that's where I would be looking at doing a buy limit. But before I do a buy limit, I'm going to do a bunch of price alerts. Price alert, price alert, price alert, price alert. I do that so I don't get whiplash in the trade and it heads down lower. I want to see how it gets down there. Slowly, fast. I want to know how it gets down there so I don't get shaken out of my trade. I don't want to lose unnecessarily. So first thing off, I'm going to do price alerts down there. And then if it gets down there in a proper slow down motion to see, if any big money is going to enter, then I'm going to enter in a buy limit and head on higher. That's where my price alert is going to be a little bit different. I mean, not price alert, my price prediction. So the main price prediction is lower, 0.0004. But I'm looking at this line right here at the bottom of this support zone, and that's going to be 0.009. So down here first, 0.009. And if it heads down lower for a long enough period, I might do a couple entries because, I talk about how I hodl. Basically, I enter on a very systematic time frame, and based on that, it's going to be on a weekly basis, once per week. And if I had a job and I was going to use my paycheck for it, I would be allocating $100, example, every single Friday, just to get into this cryptocurrency, removing that emotional FOMO about trading. So I get in and I lock in my trade. So if it heads back higher, hits that 0.9, I'm going to take off some profits, get my original risk money out, and now it's a risk-free trade, and I can let that trade run. So if you have any questions or comments on how I came to that conclusion, please let me know. Let's get to my website, okay? So guys, here's my website, AndreJMcClendon.com. I added some Fiverr contracts. If you guys are looking at this portion, if you want to be learning more about MetaTrader 4 programming or how to make EAs and stuff like that, if you want to learn how I do it, because I primarily trade by EA. You can see I post my live trading robot daily, so please check it out. It's trading mainly US 30. Also, check out my cryptocurrency portion, guys. If you guys want to open up some free accounts, check these links above. I will be updating this with the new cryptocurrency stuff that I found. And also, if you guys want to take my trading course for Forex, stocks, and financial education, it's all in one. Or you can send a one-on-one live session with myself on a 30 days. It's like 30 days for 1 month. One-on-one, 1 hour. Check me out. We can have that conversation. But that's the video, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe. Tell me what you guys think, and we can have that conversation. But I'll see you.